Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Hurry95 back, also known as on TikTok as RG the Spiral Samurai. Hope everyone's been enjoying my training videos, getting ready for my fight, upcoming fight in July. Anyways, I'm gonna be unboxing Dragon Ball Super Gogeta from Band Presto. It's Bandai from Bandai. Solid Edgeworks. I got this at DD's. Pretty cool. I got the blue version. Gogeta. Got it, and it's also officially licensed by Toei Animation for $15. Regular like $20 or more. I got it for $15. So if you, things are more expensive other places. So if you're looking for collectibles or anything, just go to Ross or DD's, you know, because some things are way too expensive elsewhere. But I also got a Sailor Moon. The thing is, I had to take out that box because I got a Ross during Christmas time of last year. Before, a little bit 2 weeks or 3 weeks. I'm like, what? I found it at random. Or no, like, yeah. Found it at random. I'm like, oh crap, that's actual Sailor Moon. I'm like, but the box was damaged. I was like keeping the box, but box was damaged. It was for $8.99. So, but the box was damaged. Like I like to keep things in the box if it's not damaged, you know. But for some occasions, I take them out, you know. Like this, for example, this is badass. The box is so huge. It's bigger than the Star Wars Vision one I boxed. Big box for a small Sega, that's for sure. And that's it. Pretty cool. Am I missing anything? Nope. Good. I'm missing nothing. Anyways, here it is. Gogeta. Torso. Oh man, I like this bubble wrap. Pretty cool. Half a torso. Another one. There we go. Torso. Got a little stand for it as well. There we go. Gogeta, and there's a stand. I wonder if it can stand on its own. It can stand on its own. Pretty cool. And I got the little thing to. I wonder what this does. Oh, it's just like a little stand to stand it up. It goes on the leg. I think. Yeah, it's just to stand it up. Oh yeah, that's Gogeta. Not bad. Oh, it's for the foot. My bad. It's for the foot. And that's it. Thank you for watching, ladies and gentlemen. Really appreciate it. Hero95 out. Also on TikTok, artist Spiral Samurai. Once again, like, subscribe. I really appreciate it. Please subscribe. I'm an independent YouTuber, so really appreciate it. Share with family and friends. And check out my training videos as well, and my fights as well. Muay Thai fights, amateur Muay Thai fights. So, Hero 95 out. Have a nice week.